बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Now, dear students, we start question number 6 of exercise 2.6. Now, if z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota and w is equal to 5 minus 4 iota, show that z plus w bar is equal to z bar plus w bar. Now we find this, first this, then this. Now first taking left hand side is equal to z plus w bar. First we write z plus w, then we find the z plus w bar is equal to z is 2 plus 3 iota this, and plus 5 minus 4 iota. Now this we write bar here is equal to this bar, and 2, first we add this 2 plus 5 and plus 3 iota and 4 iota is equal to 2 plus 5 7 here, and plus 3 iota and minus 4 iota we write here minus iota. Now here we write this bar, and again next step we'll remove this and we get 7 plus iota. Now it is equal to z plus w bar. Now this is equal to this is equal to left hand side. Now by taking right hand side, we know that here z plus w bar. Now we write z here, or z here 2 plus 3 iota. Now we write here bar. Again plus we write w is equal to 5 minus 4 iota. Now this here also we write bar. Again z bar plus w bar. This we remove this bar and we change the sign of this iota and to write here minus 3 iota plus. Now also we remove this bar and we change the sign of iota. Now this is minus, we write plus. 5 plus 4 iota. Now we combine the terms 2 plus 5 and minus 3 iota and plus 4 iota. Now 7, 2 plus 5 7 right here, and minus 3 iota plus 4 iota you write here iota. Now it is equal to z bar plus w bar. Now here also z bar plus w bar. Now you see here this is our right hand side. This is our equal to right hand side. Now we have both result, right hand side and left hand side are equal. Now left hand side and is equal to right hand side. This right hand side. It is proved. This proved. Now write this proof. Okay. The next question, z minus z bar. Z minus w, we write here z minus w bar. This we write first this z 2 plus 3 iota and minus we write here z, write here w, this w 5 minus 4 iota. Now we write the bar of this here z minus w bar. This is equal to, first we will solve this, then at the end of the result we will remove this bar. Here we write bar and 2 plus 3 iota and minus this 5 and plus 4 iota. Now Again z minus w bar is equal to 2 plus 3 iota and minus 5 plus 4 iota. Now 4 iota. This again we write here. And next z minus w bar is equal to, you combine the result, this we combine the result, 2 minus 5 and plus 3 iota and plus 4 iota. Now this we write this bar, z minus w bar is equal to minus 3 and plus 7 iota. Now bar this. Now in the next step, this bar z minus w bar is equal to, now we remove this bar and write the answer minus 3 minus 7 iota. When remove this bar, we only change the sign of iota, and minus 3 minus 7 iota. Now it is equal to left hand side. This is our left hand side. Left hand side. Left hand side. Okay, this is equal to 1. Again we write right hand side by taking right hand side, or it is equal to z bar minus w bar. Now first we write z bar, and z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Now this and minus we write here in brackets, and 5 minus 4 iota. Now here is also bar, z bar minus w bar is equal to, we remove this iota, this bar, we get 2 minus 3 iota, minus here, and we write this brackets, we remove this bar and change the sign of this iota, 5 plus 4 iota. Now again z bar minus w bar is equal to 2 minus 3 iota, and we multiply this minus with this, minus 5 and minus 4 iota. Now z bar is equal to, minus w bar is equal to 2 minus 5 and minus 3 iota and minus 4 iota. Now again z bar minus w bar is equal to 2 minus 5, we get minus 3, and minus 3 minus 4, we write here minus 7 iota. Now we see here, this is our right hand side, this is our right hand side, and this is right with 2. From 1 and 2, we see left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. This proved. Now the next question is our third part. Now we write here, this is our z and this is our w. First we find z w by taking left hand side. Now z into w bar is equal to, first we write z 2 plus 3 iota. Now we write in brackets here also 5 minus 4 iota. Now we write the bar of this, z into w bar is equal to, first we multiply, then we remove this sign. First we write here 2 plus 10, 5, 10, again 2 minus 4 iota, this minus 8 iota, plus 3 iota, and 5 plus 15 iota. Now plus 3 iota minus 4 iota minus 12 iota square. Now we write the bar on this, z into w bar is equal to 10 or minus 8 and plus minus 8 and plus 15 iota. Now this minus iota, 8 iota and plus 15 iota, you write here plus 7 iota. Now this minus 12 we write minus 1 in place of iota square. This minus 1 you get z into w bar is equal to 10 plus 7 iota. Right here again bar and 7 iota, and minus this minus plus 12, or also we write this bar. Z into w bar, here you write 10 plus 12 and plus 7 iota. Now again we write bar. Z into w bar is equal to, we remove this bar and we change the sign of this iota, and this is equal to 22 and this minus 7 iota. Now this is our first, and it is equal to left hand side. Now by taking right hand side is equal to, now it is equal to z bar into w bar. This is equal to, z is equal to, and we write in brackets 2 plus 3 iota. Now we write here bar. Again 5 minus 4 iota, and also we write here bar is equal to z bar w bar. First we remove this sign bar and 2 minus 3 iota. Now again we remove this and 5 plus 4 iota. Now we will multiply this z into w bar, and we multiply this 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, and 2 this plus 8 iota. Now this minus 3 iota and 5 iota minus 15 iota. Now minus 3 iota multiply plus 4 iota, we write here minus 12 iota square. Z bar w bar is equal to this 10 plus, now this 8 plus iota and minus 15 iota, we write here minus 7 iota. Now this minus, and we write minus 1 in place of iota square, this minus 1, or you write here z bar into w bar is equal to 10 this minus 7 iota and plus 12 iota, and this minus multiply this minus, we get plus 12, and z bar into w bar is equal to this here 10 plus 12 and minus 7 iota. Now z bar and w bar is equal to 22 and minus 7 iota. Now it is equal to the right hand side, this, and this is equal to 2. We see that from result 1 and 2, our result is left hand side is equal to right hand side, this, and proved this. Now we find this z over w bar is equal to z bar over w bar. First we take left hand side by taking left hand side. We write here z over w bar, this. We write here also z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Now this, right here bar over 5 minus 4 iota. Now z over w bar here is equal to, first we remove this from this iota from the denominator. It means 2 plus 3 iota over 5 minus 4 iota, multiply the conjugate of this 5 plus 4 iota and also 5 plus 4 iota. We write also this bar. Again z over w bar is equal to, we multiply by this 2 plus 3 iota multiply in brackets 5 plus 4 iota. Now this over in brackets 5 minus 4 iota into 5 plus 4 iota. Now we write here also bar here. Again z over w bar. This is equal to, we multiply this 2 5s are 10, this 10, 2 multiply 4 iota plus 8 iota and plus 3 iota multiply 5 plus 15 iota. Now plus 3 iota multiply 4 iota, we write here 12 iota square. Now we write also bar here. Now 5 minus 4 iota and 5 plus 4 iota, we will directly write this, the result 5 this over this 5 ka square, this square minus 4 iota square. Now this square is equal to z over w bar. Z over w bar is equal to this 10 and plus this 8 iota plus 15 iota, 23 iota. Now and this plus 12 and again we write minus 1 in place of iota square over 525 and minus 16 iota square. We write also here bar. Z over w bar here is equal to this and 10 and plus 23 iota and minus 12. Now also we write this bar and 25 and minus 16 we write minus 1 in place of iota square is equal to this 10 minus 12 and plus 23 iota, and here also we write here the 25 and plus 16 iota, plus 16 only, and z over w bar. Now this again we write this on the next page. We write and we write this z over w bar is equal to 10 minus 12 and plus 23 iota, plus 23 iota. Now here bar we write and there 25 plus 16, 25 plus 16, this. Right here we again z over w bar here is equal to 10 minus 12, right here minus 2 and plus 23 iota. Now here in the denominator 25 plus 16 you write here 41. Now write here also bar. Now z over w bar is equal to, now 41 is the denominator of minus 2, also 23 over 41, minus 2 over 41 and plus 23 over 41 iota. Now here we change this bar and we get the result. This also z over w bar here is equal to minus 2 over 41, and this plus will change into minus when we remove this bar, 23 over 41 iota. Now we write next z bar over w bar. This we know that z bar is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Now this we write here bar. We also write here w bar is equal to 5 minus 4 iota. 5 minus 4 iota. We also write bar. Z bar over w bar is equal to 2 minus 3 iota, and also we write here 5 plus 4 iota. Now this. Now we write this z bar over w bar is equal, we want to remove this 5 and 4 iota from this. We write 2 minus 3 iota and here 5 plus 4 iota, and multiply the conjugate of this 5 minus 4 iota over 5 minus 4 iota. Now we multiply this, this is equal to, we write in brackets 2 minus 3 iota and in brackets 5 minus 4 iota. Now this again we write this 5 plus 4 iota and also 5 minus 4 iota. Now this again is equal to, this is also z bar over w bar, Now multiply 2 5s are 10 and 2 minus 4 iota minus 8 iota. Now minus 3 iota into 5 or minus 15 iota. Now minus 3 iota multiplied by minus 4 iota, you write here plus 12 iota square. Now this here also, this is a plus b into a minus b, we directly write here 5 square minus 4 iota ka square. This is equal to here this 10 minus 23 iota and plus 12, we write minus 1 in place of iota square. Now this over, this is 25, 5 square 25 and minus 16 iota square. Now next step will be, this is also z bar over w bar is equal to, z bar over w bar is equal to this 10 minus 23 iota and minus 12, this over this 25 and minus 16 and minus 1 in place of iota square, we write this is equal to 10 minus 12 and minus 23 iota over 25, and this minus will multiply this minus, you write here plus 16. Now plus 16, z over z bar over w bar. Now next question is, next step will be z over w bar, z bar over w bar is equal to, we write this 10 minus 12 and also minus 23 iota. In the denominator here 25 plus 16, here z bar over w bar is equal to minus 2, 10 minus 12 minus 2 minus 23 iota, in the denominator is 41, is equal to 41. Now z bar over w bar is equal to minus 2 over 41 and minus 23 over 41 iota. Now this is our right hand side, and we compare the result of left hand side and right hand side. We get left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. This is proved. Now this is the fourth part. This is the fourth part of this question. Now again, now we write fifth part of this. Now fifth part, 1 over 2 in bracket z plus z bar is a real part of z. Now z is equal to this. We write here 1 over 2, this 1 over 2 into z plus z bar is equal to, right here on the right side, 1 over 2 into this bracket z2 plus 3 iota, now plus 2 plus 3 iota bar, because we will write here z bar, is equal to 1 over 2 into 2 plus 3 iota and plus 2 minus 3 iota, because we remove this bar, we change the sign of iota. Now again 1 over 2 here 2 plus 3 iota and plus 2 and minus 3 iota. Now this, we combine the result 1 over 2 into 2 plus 2 and plus 3 iota minus 3 iota. Now this 3 iota will cancel this minus 3 iota, and again we write the result 1 over 2 into 4. Now this 2, now here 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, or you write here this 2 is equal to 2. Now 1 over 2 z plus z bar is a real part. Now we see that this 2, this is our real part. Now we write here z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, and this is our real part. This is the real part. Now again we get real part. It is also real part. It is a real part. Real part. This proved. This. Now again the next 1 over 2 iota and z minus z bar is the imaginary part. Is the imaginary part. Imaginary part. This. Now we find this 1 over 2 into z minus z bar. This. We write here 1 over 2, this 1 over 2, now this we write in this brackets here z 2 plus 3 iota, 2 plus 3 iota, yes, same, 2 plus 3 iota, and minus plus minus, sorry, this minus in brackets 2 plus 3 iota and this bar. Now we write this square brackets is equal to 1 over 2 plus 3 iota, and minus, we change this remove this bar, we change the sign of this, and 2 minus 3 iota. Now this, we write this is equal to 1 over 2 into 2 plus 3 iota. Now this minus will multiply this, and we get minus 2 plus 3 iota. Now this, we write again the result 1 over 2 and 2 minus 2 plus 3 iota and plus also 3 iota. Now this is equal to 1 over 2, and this 2 will cancel minus 2, and 3 iota plus 3 iota, we write here 6 iota. Now this is equal to, now 3 iota, this iota in 2 iota है यहाँ पर, यहाँ here is 2 iota. Now I write now it's 2 iota. This 1 over 2 iota into 6 iota. Now write here 6 iota over 2 iota. Now iota will cancel this. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now 3. We write here z is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. Now 3 iota. Now this is our imaginary part. This is imaginary part. Now it is also, we have find 3, and it is also 3. Yes, 1 over 2 iota and z minus z bar is an imaginary part. Imaginary part. Proved.